Your bedroom is not just a place for rest, it's a sacred space that reflects your energy, mindset, and even financial well-being. Many spiritual traditions, including feng shui, believe that the energy in your bedroom directly affects your ability to attract prosperity. If you've been struggling with money problems, feeling stuck in life, or experiencing bad luck, your bedroom might be part of the problem. Certain objects and arrangements can block financial flow, making it harder for you to achieve abundance. To invite prosperity, it's important to remove anything that attracts poverty and negative energy. Here are 10 things you should remove from your bedroom immediately to clear the path for wealth and financial success. If you believe that you will attract abundance into your bedroom and life, please comment this. My bedroom is a sanctuary of peace, prosperity, and abundance. I welcome wealth and success into my space with an open heart.
Before we get into the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Now let's begin.
First on our list of the things you should remove from your bedroom that attract poverty into your life are clutter and unnecessary items. A cluttered bedroom is one of the biggest financial energy blockers. Piles of clothes, stacks of paper, unused gadgets, or random objects taking up space can lead to mental fog and financial stagnation. How clutter attracts poverty? It represents confusion, disorder, and lack of direction, which can manifest as financial instability. It drains your mental energy, making it harder to focus on financial goals. It prevents fresh, positive energy from flowing freely, keeping you stuck in old patterns. Real-life example. A woman who struggled with financial problems decided to declutter her bedroom, donating unused clothes and organizing her space. Within a month, she received an unexpected job offer with a higher salary. Solution: declutter your bedroom regularly. Get rid of items that no longer serve you. Keep your space clean and organized to welcome financial abundance. Number 2. Broken or damaged items. Keeping broken furniture, cracked mirrors, or malfunctioning electronics in your bedroom symbolizes financial difficulties. In feng shui, damaged objects represent broken energy, which can lead to financial instability, career struggles, and unexpected expenses. How broken items attract poverty? They create an atmosphere of neglect and hardship. They symbolize unresolved issues, including financial struggles. They drain positive energy, making it harder for new opportunities to come in. Solution: fix or replace broken items immediately. If something cannot be repaired, discard it to remove financial blockages. Keep only functional and beautiful objects in your bedroom. Third on our list, empty wallets, purses, or piggy banks. An empty wallet in your bedroom symbolizes financial scarcity. According to feng shui, money should always be respected, and keeping an empty wallet or piggy bank sends a subconscious message of lack. How this attracts poverty? It reinforces a mindset of financial struggle rather than abundance. It creates subconscious fear of not having enough money. It prevents new wealth from flowing into your life. Solution: always keep some cash in your wallet, even if it's just a small amount. Place a few coins or bills in your piggy bank to represent financial growth. Keep your money organized and stored properly to respect financial energy. Number 4. Dead or dying plants. Plants bring life and prosperity, but dead or dying plants do the opposite. If you have withered plants in your bedroom, they can symbolize financial decay and stagnation. How dead plants attract poverty? They represent lost opportunities and declining wealth. They create an atmosphere of stagnation, blocking positive financial flow. They make your space feel heavy and uninspiring. Solution: remove dead or dying plants immediately. Replace them with healthy, thriving plants like money trees, lucky bamboo, or jade plants, which are known to attract wealth. Water and care for your plants to keep the energy of growth alive in your space. Fifth on our list of the things you should remove from your bedroom that attract poverty are water features or images of water. While water is associated with wealth in feng shui, Having water features in the bedroom can symbolize financial loss. This includes fountains, aquariums, and paintings of water. How water in the bedroom attracts poverty. Moving water in the bedroom can drain financial resources. Water imagery can create emotional instability, affecting financial decision-making. It symbolizes money slipping away rather than accumulating. Solution: avoid placing water-related items in your bedroom. Move water features to your living room or office. If you have water-themed paintings, replace them with images of abundance, like golden fields or lush landscapes. Number 6. Unpaid bills or financial documents. Many people keep unpaid bills, debt reminders, or financial documents in their bedroom, thinking it's a convenient storage space. However, keeping these in your sleeping area can create financial anxiety and block prosperity. How this attracts poverty. It constantly reminds you of financial burdens, creating stress. It symbolizes financial instability and struggle. It disrupts relaxation, affecting your ability to focus on financial growth. Solution: store financial documents in a designated workspace or filing cabinet outside your bedroom. Keep your bedroom a stress-free, peaceful space. If you need to store money-related items, use a closed box or drawer to separate financial energy from your personal space. Number 7. Second-hand or inherited items with negative energy. Furniture, decor, or objects that belong to someone else, especially if they had financial struggles, can carry negative energy into your space. How this attracts poverty. It transfers the previous owner's financial struggles into your life. It blocks fresh energy and new financial opportunities. Old energy can prevent you from moving forward in your financial journey. Solution: if you must keep second-hand furniture, cleanse it with sage, sunlight, or salt. Be mindful of the energy history of items you bring into your bedroom. Surround yourself with items that have positive associations with wealth and success. 8 on our list of the things you should remove from your bedroom are shoes or bags under the bed. Storing shoes, bags, or suitcases under your bed may seem like a space-saving idea, but in feng shui, this creates instability in your life. How this attracts poverty. Shoes symbolize movement, leading to financial and career instability. It creates subconscious stress, affecting your sleep and decision-making. It blocks positive energy from circulating in your space. Solution: avoid storing anything under your bed, especially shoes and bags. If storage is necessary, keep it organized and clutter-free. Allow energy to flow freely beneath your bed to invite stability and prosperity. Number 9. Mirrors facing the bed. Mirrors reflect energy, and when they face your bed, they can amplify financial instability and loss. Some feng shui experts believe mirrors can double financial problems. How this attracts poverty. It reflects and magnifies negative energy instead of positive financial flow. It disrupts sleep, affecting your mental clarity and decision-making. It symbolizes financial struggles repeating themselves. Solution: cover mirrors at night or reposition them so they don't directly face your bed. Use curtains or decorative cloths if removing them isn't an option. Ensure mirrors reflect positive energy rather than amplifying financial struggles. 10th on our list of the things you should remove from your bedroom that attract poverty are negative artwork or symbols of struggle. Many people unknowingly decorate their bedrooms with paintings, photographs, or objects that symbolize hardship, loneliness, or struggle. How this attracts poverty. It reinforces a mindset of lack and struggle. It affects your mood and motivation, making it harder to achieve financial success. It keeps you in a cycle of financial difficulties rather than attracting abundance. Solution: replace negative artwork with images that symbolize prosperity, success, and happiness. Choose paintings of nature, wealth symbols, or positive affirmations. Surround yourself with visuals that inspire confidence and abundance.